Hi, welcome to a new video of hydrotilling. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of work that I do. This is my truck. I got a little backhoe on the back of it. It helps. So this is the hydrotilling work I did on this place here. I cleaned up the roads. You can see I fixed some farm machinery, cleaned it up a little bit, made it so it accents to the place a little bit. You see how I tilled the ground, but see, it didn't take that long. This was a one-day process to weed all the flower beds, get all the grass out of the gravel, so you don't have to use any weed killer. Weed everything. I did all inside that area over there. I cleaned this man's roof. It took a whole another day to clean all the roofs and wash all the houses. This is all done with a pressure washer, oscillating tip. In a little bit I'm going to be sprinkling flowers, seeds all over the place. See, that's what you do. So something's going to come back again, right? So you got to make sure that you put something in here that's going to last. But it turns out nice when it's done this way. It pops your yard. It gives you a nice fresh start to plant stuff. This property is going to be sold. Cleaned up this old truck, exposed it a lot better. Maybe sprinkle a few flowers around that, seeds. You get underneath your deck. See, it turns out real good. The edging, you can weed everything. I cleaned up this pond area, all in here. In there. All in here. It looks nice. It works real good. Big time saver. Well, I just wanted to let you see the after effects of my work. So maybe you can do the same thing. I'm going to go sprinkle some flower seeds around, and this place has giant mushrooms on it. Maybe I can get some of them. Have a great day.